You've had pancakes and you've had sausage, but have you ever tried this one right here with sweet strawberry on top? You are about to. So if you are tired of boring breakfast, stay right here. I'm showing you how to make that perfect pancake and sausage combo with a sweet strawberry on top. And without wasting time, let's get started. We start with the wet ingredients, and which is half cup of milk, half cup of melted butter, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 large egg. We'll mix that together, and I'll go ahead and add 1.5 cup of self-raising flour. I'll add a pinch of salt, and I'm going to have half teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to sieve it inside there and mix it until you can find there are no lumps. Make sure there are no lumps, okay? After then, you go ahead and pour the batter in a pan. You heat up a pan and pour the batter. After 1 to 2 minutes, you flip it to the other side. Or beyond say, when you pour your batter and when it is bubbling on top of it, it means it is ready. You can then flip it to the other side, which is what I'm doing right here in this video. For the sausage, I'm using this sausage and I'm going to add paprika powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and I'm going to add a pinch of suya spices to that sausage. It is so good. I mean, my children didn't even have it. They didn't even see it as breakfast. They were like, "This is our lunch." It is so good and so easy to put together. Right now, the sausage is ready. If you eat this sausage and this pancake, this is what you will keep coming back to. Trust me. Okay, this is the breakfast that you really need right now. Okay, this one right here is what you really need right now. You keep coming back to it. Oh, so funny. So you don't repeat the same process as the other one. Voila, it is ready, guys. The pancake, the sausage, and our sweet strawberry is ready. And I must tell you, this is the perfect breakfast that you need right now. This is so good, so fast and easy to put together. It is really delicious and it is a must try, guys. It is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my very first video. Okay. Hey, my lovely. I need to say welcome to my very first video. Welcome to Boss's Home Kitchen. On this channel, if you are looking for simple, delicious recipe that anyone can cook, you are in the right place. From West African classic jollof rice, stew, quick everyday meals, I share step-by-step cooking video that are clear, that are beginner friendly, and full of flavor. I don't appear on camera, but every meal is made right in my kitchen with real ingredients and a whole lot of love. Okay? So whether you are new to cooking or you're just a beginner like looking for fresh meal ideas, just hit that subscribe button and let's make cooking easy, one dish at a time. Okay, my lovelies. So therefore, thank you so much. And let me say it again that welcome to Boss's Home Kitchen. Okay. Yeah, on this channel we focus on easy homemade meals that anyone can cook, no matter your skill level. Okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So if you are viewing this channel for the very first time, I really appreciate your coming. Thank you for joining me on this channel. And please, if you are really interested, if you love what you are seeing for the very first time, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscription button, and hit the bell button so that anytime I share any video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.